Casey on the front porch, gray around her eyes. Used to chase the kids round, now she just watched the sky. Old red collar on the nail, mud prints on the floor. Every scratch upon that door frame says she's part of something more. She was a good dog, Casey. She was a good friend. Laid right by our boots from start till the end. We held her as she faded. Tried to be brave, but we cried. She was a good dog, Casey. Left a hole deep inside. Remember when the thunder shook that little house? Kids all dug for cover, she'd stand guard nose out. Birthday cake and campfire smoke, her nose in every plate. Those long walks down the gravel road, tail wagging at the gate. She was a good dog, Casey. She was a good friend. Laid right by our boots from start till the end. We held her as she faded. Tried to be brave, but we cried. She was a good dog, Casey. Left a hole deep inside. Doctor's room was quiet, cold against my hand. Whispered, "It's okay, girl, go run where you can." On the drive back home, seat felt too wide. Saw her head out that window. In my mind, she was a good dog, Casey. She was a good friend. Raised our kids beside us right up till